Orion. That's not yours. Orion. That's brother's. Brother got that for your birthday. That's your brother's. Here you go. Yuki. That's your brother's. You got something for your own birthday. That's what he got for your birthday. Okay? Okay. No stealing it. Orion. He didn't give it to you. Hey. Hey. No, that's not yours. That's brother's. Well, see, he wants it back. You better run. You better run. It's not yours. It's brother's. Take it up there. Let's go find your toy. Let's go find your toy. Come on. Come on. Come on. This way. Well, there's one of your toys. There. Here's your other toy right here. Did you get this? That's your chew toy. That's your chew toy.